everybody, Miss Rachel here, your public health educator with the Oakland County Health Division. And today I have another really yummy and fun recipe. So the first things first though, we need to wash our hands. I've already washed my hands in the sink behind me, but go ahead, pause the video, make sure you use soap and warm water and wash your hands really good for 20 seconds. Very good. Once your hands are nice and clean, we're ready to make our recipe. So this recipe is called Grape and Apple Go-Go's, and you'll see why in just a minute. So I only need 2 ingredients for this. You can see on my plate here I have some apples that are cut up into slices. I also have some grapes that I cut in half. So make sure you get a grown-up to help you cut your fruit. The fruit is also all washed and scrubbed and clean, just like our hands are. I also am going to need some toothpicks. Now for my recipe, I have 3 slices of apples. I have 6 grapes that I cut in half. And I also have 3 toothpicks. Now each toothpick I also broke in half, so they're a little bit small. This recipe is fun because we are going to make little cars with our fruit. So you can see I have my apple here. What I'm going to do first is stick a toothpick in the front, so it's right halfway through. And I'm also going to stick a little half toothpick in the back. So now you can see you've got kind of a little apple with some toothpicks sticking out of it. Once that's ready, now we need to add our wheels so our car can move. That's where your grapes come in. You're gonna stick your grapes one on each toothpick, just like this. And you can see now I have my little car that has some wheels. Now while we're here, I'm gonna make 2 more so that we can have 3 little cars. This is a great way to get your fruit in every day and also to make it kind of fun. Because who doesn't love to have fun? Last one, I got my toothpicks. Be careful not to poke yourself. And my 4 wheels. These are so much fun. You can see my little car right here. Those are your Grape and Apple Go-Go's. Go ahead, try it at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.